Karbi ngora do ana phansitami adap me kardom nang pajerik lo kardom. Pinya Adap Abirta long penili sa milu pikarong hangpi. Aprangsi Abirta happy.
Langka pen ke pon chainong supply gari puthot ke nebdun long. Hema ingti LP School Pachilot aputhak pherangke amai kangni Mondor Singh ingti.
Non Birtang ton ben arjubon exina.
Langka pen ke pon chainong supply gari puthot ke nebdun long. Langka hojai district pen chainong mafia atum chainong supply pu joy pen Abirta long si puthot chainong agari ke nebdun thulang. Kedam tang chitin nifai Christier Cap Arni nijang Karbi Anglong Kiruni Police Station angkang arlo diungmok ahithi along cherok tok atum kedo ajoy ni pen diungmok ahithi along chainong ke pon agari humtham ke nebdun long. Abirta ke long pen tong sekot pen pherang ke atum la pen Kiruni Police asai khi atum pen ademak long an palidun si Kiruni Police Station asai hemalong an banderlo. Kaduk kabe gari humtham pen kenebdun long achainong jontrok amdo non amat Kiruni Police Station asai hemalong si biponlo keneblong check agari number lake AS02 CC5519 AS02 BC6350 lapen AS02 MC9937 pusi tang thekpon Abirta ke tok bom apora hot anke ko an section tong kipi pon jini lake chini dunde lang pusi Abirta nang pale tang te puthot chainong ke pon bek ahem phuatum kaning ji pon alam thepen le arju pon sinang News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong
লঙ্কা পরা
কেটা গরু আছে ইয়াত
8টা
মালিক তো কোন হয়
মালিক এবিলাক মালিক হয় মালিক ইয়াতে আছে
কোন লব গরু তো
ব্লক বাজার
গরু তো কি করব তো
গরু তো পালিবলৈ
কাগজ আছে নি গরুর কাগজ আছে নি
গরু তো কাগজ আছে রসিদ আছে
কো দেখাই দাও কোন লব গরু তো
মাটুলম ব্লক বাজার কোয়াঙ্গুসি
কার কানে দিব তো গরু তো ব্লক বাজারটো
আমি পালিম বাচ্চা লইছো 13000 পরা গরুর বাচ্চা
কোট কিনিছে
লঙ্কার পরা কিনিছো
গম পোৱা নাই দি আজিকালি গরু তেনেকা লব নৰে বলে হা
নেকা তো গম পোৱা নাই মানে হাপ্তা 15 দিনত আহো একবার
সদায় লই নেকি সদায় লই থাকে নেকি গরু
কেনেকা লমছা দুখিয়া মানুহ আছে খেতি কৰি খাও
সপ্তাহ পৰা একবাৰ লৈ আনে বলে কৈছে এতিয়া
নাই
এতিয়া মাত্ৰ কৈছে তুমি
একবাৰ মানে সবজি লৈ আহো আর কি
Hema ingti LP School Pachilot aputhak pherangke amai kangni Mondor Singh ingti Lakhain Koiratrok Duarbaguri constituency ke parlo Dolamara Hema ingti LP School Pachilot mate alongka preke pondet apot atumi arnikang sampor phaike thomapor managing committee tumpen pherangke amai kangni Bangso apherangke amai kangni nang kok alam nilitum Hema ingti school nang pachipilot mate alongka prek nang katerek piponchor apon nilitum ningduk lopusi Hema ingti LP school managing committee amai phu Mondor Singh ingti pen pherangke amai kangni along ningjepon Athema lasso high school do bomlang lapen lothan bang agge high soron sing phangcho si chewang bomlang ante koson pensi along kaprek kanang katerek pipon denma athe along kaprek high school along than bang chedam depin lapen aningkan sitame school do depin pusi Mondor Singh ingti pen pherangke amai along pen than pachini pon
तो चुरो लो नंगले तुम बिरंग के नाक नंगले तुम वांग पेन नंगले फन कार्जू पोंथे का पोट नंगले तुम सुरी कार्डोम पिलो नसेलम बेंगला लो नंगले तुम हेमा इंटी स्कूल के इजिया सेंटर से के चेंग पोट किबी चेंग मेंटा Hala so lang hello. School binu ma pu. Hala so SDC government lah. As SDC government who CGS education granted scheme pudak bikang lo. Hala so ke dolong tawe. Usumatum ke class ke dam sik pik. Po join ne sia so hot la dak bilo. School ta. Pen SGS hot pen ke hala so hot. Student da dobik bang thong kep ne dolo. Sitami la so phir bang ke SDC government ta council long abi tu det amase high school tang bonglom abi det son lo la so pena pit nili mekha mata na so ches reng nai pu nili la da ke lo pathan toy pan nili bilo nili mekha nga pocket pen pinangan kro len kan ke thom nili pathan lo la so pit pen mege nili mekha ma sitame finance piun e tangka ma pi idure pen joine high school ba ko bon to check la aje center ba la so pen bis surini ra ke trok se ning kan non ki khi bom be char to bi tok la anat ayem lo alang le khala sor ke mc la asalang le la aje center panan ke paring to ye phat polang le kora soya bi long hang lo aje a president secretary tumpanan hala sud alang le adjulo paring thunang po ose sitami paring thunang po pusalang le la sud pulo la se alang le ke unan pe nang chrab den po se ha chi chak la sitami alang le hala sud no ya kyar dang pidun de la so phi sitami a phir bang ke chuneng si 2020 2019 เป็นแกteacher appointment pilo teacher appointment ke rubojeti bora bukuliya pe setalang li fan appointment ki pipen ke corona po nangklang masih lockdown ko lo ningkan hini amasi class abedan joine si student na tumta abedalo ase aphet thu chuneng pe na ko saron sing phangcho fan appointment nang pituli lo appointment nang pitala ta angbong chitti chuneng july mayang si june lo july lom si appointment ta pi so student ta bang ke thom plive setami bang thom plive pen no pin nengan bang ke bang crazy student bang nang bad lo pen ke dam tang gono so setami grade A si long do ne to himang TLP school pen ke na si lada ke pathe bang ini isi bang school ka chitte bok la pen ke osomar lo charli osomar aphai ki jume joine pusipulo te bonde ta nele hin ben puji bang ke lalo school ka te bok pule puji ta me non ke trek pone school pen hala babu sing tok bi school ta chitte bok pi la pen panbari bugram tok bi school pen hala bugram tok bi school ta chitte bok pi pen ke malin pen hala malasi LP school te lage tuaran velo na sonda dak tikalang nang te plain district long tikong cholan school ke chitte bok pute te bol se tame hal high school pan ke thangta vitekte na sineli non ki puji bank ke nili kichini da mateng pute ladak education em la pen ke BMC la pen ke VDC chairman sa haddo la tuma joy ne si pini ladak emergency tu nang kibi alang litum quality education puninje piklo tok lang anat paprang pik nang jadi Karbi ta tok no usomatum ta hek nang ji re nai pu inte no no son sona banke alang tum tok lang anat paprang nai polang litum adiang chun kininje ver alam ki kona lonte na sino la da ke school than bom la na pen ke teacher ta wang bom la inte ala teacher kono ne ke le adi maningkan chiklo pen ha ingram su dim to media long lang tunda chi thek long lo ma puti pu ni lima thalo setami hala high school to pan ke thangda ma vithe aningkan duty dam de master dam tadalo setami hala master dam thangda putekhe hala school ban ta thangda vithe anili to me school ke class do bom lo pen student nang bat bom pu setami la nil to me school ban velo mala education yem ta la pen ke BMC romong we BMC ta ke klem bang ta ke chini nangi la pen ke non dak VDC as chairman tala dak ni lo tum school me lo machini na ho kopini la so school pan kelang un edoma la pen la so school aphan along nang li tum politics ke parti pon doma ni li kar jukang tung bang la se alang li tum pan li kar jukang tung bang kelango alang li tum apang soni ne dia arjung tum nang tu officially pen tong ke claim ma politically aja kompensi ke claim ma nang tu officially aja kompensi officially pen ke claim putan nang tu ladak school nang humbi nani nang tu meeting committee tu pen chingwai nani parent guardian tu pen nang tu ladak kingki sar nani setami nang tu dak sport inquiry ta bang we dak inspection banta bang we thang ke chingwai we pin pen nang tu order ulai de Kosona niyom nila bang ke ni tum chini na meeting committee tum ta. Thank you for media person to be present here on time. Today why I call on you is that Himayati LP school was marketed to non-Kegol LP school without any officially discussed with teacher and meeting committee. So we, the meeting committee of Himayati LP school, would like to know for what reason the school was shifted from here. As directed from BMC, this is the emerging letter given by the teachers to me. But I can't believe this order is made accordingly by official. It was made by 2-3 person who is again on me and also again this school. So without inspection, without they visit to this school, how they can make this order? I want to know not only all the parent and all the student parent or is also surprising and excited why it happened so. So the KCC team and education EM Richard Tokbi, they always speak out in the public meeting that they have brought quality education all round corner in Karbi Anglong. Is this a quality education? No, it is totally not a quality education. So immigration means killing the school. So we are unhappy to accept this official letter. It may not be an official letter, but they inform me that this order was given by the Educational Institution Authority from Guwahati. But this is not given by Guwahati. I know clearly. The reasons of emerging Himayati LP school to non-Kegol were two reasons as informed by the teacher. Number one, due to low enrollment of students. And number two, a very short distance to other school. This is the two reasons made by the SMC and the Educational Institute Authority. But as same condition as compared to Babu Singh Tok BLP school and Buguran Tok BLP school to Panbari LP school. Then why those school is no reason for distance? Secondly, student enrollment. I am going to tell you very clearly if you want to know. Hemaing TLP school was at first, it was an EGS center. Established after proper investigation of distance from other school and background of this area by the KCC Educational Authority at that time. And the KCC go was SDC in Karbi, Anglong. Student enrollment well also more than 30. But at present time, 2-3 years, the EGS center were closed down. When SDC government was not in power at council. So, I myself tried to keep the center to be continued. So, I myself finance the EGS center for 3 years. After that, due to financing problem, this center was closed down again. But luckily, in the year 2017, when Richard Tokbi, present education EM, became as a MAC from 26 Nong Duarbagori constituency, he inquired the whole EGS center in Duarbagori constituency area, where the EGS center were closed down, to restart again. So he himself conducted a meeting.
Pinya Adap Abirta bangki lapan sekang toniglo kado kabe pansitami domi thakmi kardom.